Hello and welcome back to the Hughes Enterprises channel. This is Chapter 6, going to be a relatively quick video, and we're going to be chronographing the American Eagle factory ammunition in both the 85 and 100 grain loadings, so you have some real-world chronograph velocities to go off of. The boxes are not usually very accurate, so we got two different test guns here today. We have a 3-inch barrel Ruger SP101 and this 3-inch barrel Smith & Wesson 632-1. So let's see what actual real-world velocities we're getting out of these two cartridges in two different guns. Okay, so here's the setup. We're going to shoot these loads at 15 yards at the paper target over the chronograph. The chronograph is placed at 10 feet. And the first load that we're trying is the 85 grain Softpoint in the 3-inch barrel SP101. This is the test that I've really wanted to do for a while because you can never really trust the box velocities and muzzle energies completely. You can only trust the results you get yourself, and testing them in two different guns on the same day really gives you a good idea of what you're actually going to get in the real world in terms of velocity and muzzle energy. This is going to be good reference material, especially coming up in Chapter 7, where we're going to be trying to duplicate a buffalo bore loading for 327 Federal. Their 100 grain loading is doing about 13-15 feet per second, and I think that is plenty possible to do. So I hope to see you then in Chapter 7. As always, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and if you'd like to help to support the channel, a $1 donation through Patreon really does go a long way to help pay for these videos. Link is in the description.